What's up guys, I'm Lee. I'm the bartending, photo boothing, rental guy. And today I'm going to show you how to set up a 10x10 pop-up canopy. Today we've got you covered. Tent joke. So this tent is available on Impact Canopy's website in Canada and the US. And they're super cheap. They market them as the ULA, ultra lightweight aluminum 10x10 canopy. It is fresh out of the box. One nice thing about this tent is that it can fit easily back in the bag once you apply the tent top to it. So you'll see on the bottom here that it comes with 2 wheels, so you can easily put it back in and roll it around. It stands 5 feet high.
I lied, it stands 4.9 feet high.
So the weight of this is 38 pounds. So it's very light, easy to transport. It's aluminum, so it's made strong as well. It's an accordion style frame and just in and out, in and out. So we're gonna take it out to about an arm's length, and that's when we're gonna put the top on. You're gonna find a Velcro piece. So right there is a Velcro piece, and you're going to attach it to this Velcro piece. So we're just gonna put that on. Now that you've got your tent top on, you're going to want to extend it like an accordion. The best way to do this is to lean everything onto one leg and then just pull out so that all the legs have free room to move and they're not constricted by being on the ground. Pull each corner up and make sure that it goes through to the top little button here. Push up and then click. Did you hear that click? Let's click all 4 corners. You can see that it's clicked in there now. If the wind is blowing this way, you're going to want to set up this side first so that the wind will just bounce off the tent top and it won't take it hurling over everywhere. Perfect. Okay, so let's take a peek under here. So the undercarriage is made of aluminum, so you see it's got a support system that goes around, and then it all meets in the center. And as you're popping the tent up, this just goes and tightens the top. So if you just look in the corner here, you'll see a certification. It's CPAI 84, Section 6 fire standard. So the top of the tent is made of 210 denier. So I'd compare that to probably like a rain jacket. So these tents are majority hold out the rains and heavy showers. So these tents come with a little tent spike kit here. Now I just want to hammer in the tent pegs so the tent doesn't go anywhere in the wind for now. Okay, so let's go ahead and secure the canopy with the Impact Canopy sand tent weights. You just wrap it around and Velcro it on. Super simple. Have them facing inside if you're putting tent walls on. If you're not putting tent walls on, have them facing outside. Want to know the secret weapon to harnessing down pop-up tents? Right here. Right there, that guy. This right here is my ratchet system that makes my pop-up tents not go anywhere. Do this. So all I did is I went and grabbed ratchet straps and dog spikes. Okay, so you see the little loop here? That's where you want to fasten the ratchet through, and then just hook the other part onto the spike at the bottom and then ratchet it closed. As you can see right here, the ratchet top's just connected in the loophole, and then down here it's just the dog spike goes in, connected with the ratchet. It's been fun. Do me a favor and sub to the channel, or you could watch one of these videos right here.